from Aunt Jamie. Do you like the gelato from Aunt Jamie? Does it need more sprinkles? You want to put more sprinkles? Sprinkles is just organic cinnamon, but she'll never know. Here, okay, you help. Sprinkle the cinnamon on. Good job. A little more. Let's do it this way. Here, Mommy, help. Mommy, help. Okay. Hi, Guy. Okay, ready? Oh, you're kissing the little scarecrow guy. We're giving kisses. Good kisses. I've got another bite for you. Oh, hug. Oh, good hug. Apple. Oh. You feeding the apple to the guy? No, you don't want another bite. You've eaten a lot. Oh, thank you. I bited the gelato. Oh, you just spilled some. You spill. Here. Say thank you, Jamie. Thank you, Jamie, for the gelatos.
Boo.
Boo.
Mama.
Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Can you say hi to Mama? Hi. You looking at Mama? Oh, you kiss Mama. That's so nice. You hug. Oh yeah, hug Mama. Oh, thank you, hug. You're very sweetie. Is that good? Put the cover on the cinnamon. It's a good gelato. You want more? Can you get a bite for yourself? Mia foo-foo. Did you foo-foo? Yummy. Do you need help? I think you got it. You like the gelatos? Yeah. Yeah. What a special treat since you have the sniffles. This is goat's milk gelato. You want more sprinkles? You like the cinnamon on it, don't you? Okay, that's enough. Good job. Say thank you, Jamie. Give Mommy a kiss. I love you. You're very busy with your gelato. Goat's milk gelato.